Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Derek Johnson Photography, DJ's Photography, whatever you want to call it, but just make sure you subscribe to this channel. So today we are going to be doing the unboxing of the Tamron 17 to 28 f 2.8 box. So let's start. This is the box. Bam. All right, so now we're going to open up the box. Instructions and papers. Bye bye box. Dun 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 dun. All right. Now, first impression. Since I'm recording with the 27 to 75, feels about the same. I mean, very nice and light. One thing I like about the Tamron series is that the threads on each of them are 67, which that means you can have one filter for 3 lenses. I mean, the zoom, nice and tight. Focus range, it's pretty nice. So I was having a hard decision on if I should get this lens or the Sony G Master 16 to, was it 35 2.8? But for the price, watching some reviews, can't beat it. So, and it's lighter. And like I said, I do travel often. So traveling with a lighter lens makes a huge difference. Stay tuned. I'm going to tell you a story about when we went to Singapore and I had this big 200 to 600 lens carrying it with me and how it hurt my back, how heavy it was. So, but if I could go back, I probably still would take it because I went to go see the Ring of Fire, which is a solar eclipse, and the Path of Totality was in Singapore. But back to subject. Nice lens. Great quality lens. Did a lot of reviews on this lens. Everybody who reviewed it is very happy with it. So I'm going to give you my opinion of it. So this was just the unboxing. So stay tuned for my review on this 17 to 28 Tamron 2.8 lens. Thank you, and once again, please like, subscribe, comment below. I am starting this YouTube channel. If you have any suggestions, please comment those below. So looking forward to seeing you on my next video.